Wow guys, look at the bees. Holy cripes. What is going on? It's a nice day. Looks like a practice of a swarm run, that. What are they doing? Someone farted in the hive. Well, we're March the 15th, 2024. Not sure what's going on there. Obviously I haven't been in that hive since whenever I took the honey off of them. And I didn't take much, just a few frames. Surely they're not swarm prepping already. The bees in the tree that were in the tree, they're all out. Look, they're probably all out because these are all out. Got a mass robbing going on or something. Although I did just go, me and Owen had just come back from taking loads of rubbish to the tip, and they're all flying out the front, pooing on everyone's cars. So everyone in the street will be got yellow blobs of bee shit on their cars. Let's ask this bee. Oi bee, what are you doing? What are you all coming out like acting crazy out your hive for? Hey, little bee, we're talking to you. Didn't want to speak, did it? They're all going back in. I think it's just the first nice day for a while. It's a well populated hive. It's a very healthy hive, or it was a very healthy hive last time we went in there.